Assalamualaikum. Now we are doing English copywork. Write homework and date. Okay. Unit number 2, lesson 3. Topic is the hungry monster. Dictation words, write it. First word is monster. Second word is wings. monster, monster. wings, wings. legs, legs. afraid, afraid. Runs, runs, runs. Water, water, water. Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Happy, happy, happy. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Under, under. chair, chair. Write it with very neat and clean handwriting. Now turn your page. On the top of your page, write homework and date. Unit 2, topic is the hungry monster. Word, sentences. First word is monster and the sentence is monster has green wings. Afraid, I'm afraid of dark. Thirsty, the dog is thirsty. And hungry, the poor man is hungry. These are 5 words. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 words. Okay, now write it very neat and clean handwriting on your English copy. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.